Hello and welcome back to part 3 of this video. I'm sure we've gotten this far and then we enjoyed the video. So I urge you to comment, like and subscribe as it helps the channel as well. So in today's video we will be looking at getting the chapters, which is very important. The chapters. So with the prompt, what you can do is that you can actually reduce the number of pages of the entire book, which is, let's do 250, which is the minimum, and then let's reduce the words to 7,000 to 7,000. You can leave it at 80,000. It's up to you. That is, if you want to write more, it's entirely up to you. So those are the two changes you can make within the prompt. So I press enter. Notice I did not add any title to the prompt because it already has a memory of it. As you can see, it's giving me 30 chapters. Which is 30 chapters. So now that we have, it's giving us all the chapters. The next thing we want to do is that we want to create a visual image. After all of the 30 chapters has been created, we want to create a visual image of each character or actors within the book. Okay, so these are the 30 chapters we have within the book. These are the 30 chapters. Yeah, so this is it. These are all the 30 chapters. So the next thing we want to do is that we want to create a character physical character description. This would help us to create a book cover, which is very important, or it can also help us to illustrate if we want to use a picture book as well. So and then this tells you about the character or the theme of each character within the book as well. This is what this prompt actually focuses on, and it helps you understand the character better, and it helps the AI to also understand the character as well. So it's like it's priming. You're priming the AI to stay very, very consistent on each of the character, their mood and everything, their narration role and everything. So that is what that prompt does when you're using it. So it's very important that you create the character description before you move on to the next step, which is what breaking the chapter scene by scene. So remember, in this video, we got the 30 chapters, and then we did the character description, which is their physical looks and everything within this video. So I'll see you in the next one where we break the chapters scene by scene and write on it as we break them down, which is where most people get missing within the writing of the book. Because so, if you like this video, can you like and subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next one.